Okay, now we are going to demonstrate finding point sources on the map. So as we can see now, the entire state of Arizona is selected on the map, and I want to make this smaller so I can view the point sources directly at a specific location on the map. So to zoom in on the map, you click on the magnifying glass icon, and in this TEISS, this toolbar is on top, but when you first open your TEISS project, the toolbox is on the side. But if you want to, you can move it up here. Some people like it better up here, and some people don't. But in this project, that's why that's up across the top. So I'm going to click on that magnifying glass with the plus in it. That's the zoom in icon. And that now you can see that the icon has changed to a magnifying glass. And to get closer to the area that you want to zoom in on, you click and drag. And what that does is make a square on your map, or a rectangle I should say. And this zooms in. And there's one point in particular I want to look at in Coconino County. And I need to change the icon to the arrow to do that. So I'm going to click on the arrow. And then I'm going to click on this point right here to view what that point is. And what that brings up is it shows that I'm in Coconino County, and it shows the emission release points associated with that facility. And that means that I'm not zoomed in quite enough to see the actual facility itself, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit more on that facility by drawing a little rectangle around it. And now you can actually see the hatched lines, which shows that it's a facility. And I'm going to click on the arrow and identify it. So now we can actually see what the facility is. And that is facility 2321, which is the facility site identifier value. And its name is the EPNG Williams Compressor Station. And this method of identifying facilities can be used when you do your level 4 EI or your off-reservation section of your level 1, 2, or 3 EI. And you can start a list of the facilities that are near you of interest. So you can identify those facilities and then write it into your table of point sources. And if you accidentally select a source that you weren't interested in, you can just right-click and that unselects it. So now what I would like you to do is take a minute to read the first few paragraphs of the point sources section of the mock level 4 EI. And pay special attention to table 2, which is the list of facilities within the 10-mile buffer zone, because this is the method of identification that was used to populate the facility name column in that table.